First vlog for you guys before the year is up. Okay, y'all, I just recorded a video. I told y'all a vlog was dropping, and the vlog is here.
Let us begin with the bad little specimen. Balenciaga's only things I be stepping in. Gucci baby suits, only thing I'm dressing in. Cause I get wetter than a Navy SEAL.
I'm starting to feel hot because I am in the house, y'all. But I have on this super cute pink jumpsuit, my pink fur boots, my pink jacket, my pink earmuffs. I am wearing a pink purse, so it's giving all pink out. And for those of you guys that are new here, welcome. My name is Rika, your favorite pink lover. All things pink. Subscribe if you are a pink person. Today is December 29th. It is currently 7:29 p.m. I am about to hang out with my friend Kimani, and we're gonna go to a restaurant called Experience. So I'm super excited about that, you guys. I'm super excited to go to this restaurant because I've never been there before. But we're going to a restaurant. And I did kind of pack a spend the night bag because the restaurant is like 45 minutes from me. And I think it's 45 minutes from my friend too. And she told me that I could spend the night if I'm not able to drive home because we are getting drinks and stuff like that. So I did pack like my PJs. So I have to grab my bonnet. But I packed my PJs, I packed makeup wipes, and things like that. So I got me a little spend the night bag in the event that I do have to spend the night. But I probably will spend the night at her house simply because it's already 7:23 and it's a 45-minute drive and I have to stop for gas. And by the time we eat and do all of those things, it's gonna be 10, 11 o'clock and I'm gonna be tired. So yeah, I probably am gonna spend the night. So I packed that and I'm gonna just bring this pink small purse, and I am recording content, y'all, okay? So make sure y'all follow my Instagram for the behind the scenes. But I'm super excited. It feels good to be back vlogging for you guys because it's like I will always say, okay, I'm about to be back posting my pink lifestyle content. And then I go MIA, and like I told y'all in my life update video, which if you haven't seen my life update video, which is the video before this one, be sure to check that out. I'm gonna try to have this vlog out before New Year's, and tomorrow I actually have a lot of cleaning to do, y'all, because I got me a new pink knife set. I got me a new pink pot set because I'm trying to clean out all my cabinets for the new year. Out with the old and with the new. Y'all know the vibes. I'm trying to do that. So yeah. So I'm about to get me some quick TikToks and some mirror pics, and then I will check in with you guys when we get to the restaurant. Hey y'all, so I just pulled up to the spot and my friend is literally right next to me in the car. She also is doing her lip gloss. Okay, lip combo is from iTasty, the lip liner and the gloss. And y'all, what's crazy is what's in my backseat is my pink refrigerator that I got, a new pink refrigerator, but this is gonna be like a snack one for my pink living room area. So y'all just stay tuned for the content. Like I said, stay tuned for the content because we have so much to do. I don't know if everything is gonna get done in this vlog, but if it doesn't, y'all gonna have to stay tuned for part 2. But we're about to get out and go see what the spot is giving. And I'm actually shocked because there's literally, like, she got the last parking spot and it's a Monday and it was raining. It wasn't raining when I was driving here though. It's a little chilly, but
He said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. He was born love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in the condo and grants to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted, 5-year been up north when they read it. Anyway, I felt them, help them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium, welcome. Bitches this pretty, that's seldom, this box, nothing in the box, he was held in. I'm on the D in that outer, I call him Daddy like Doubters. He like it when I be drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's hot, but it's hot, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then look at up with the fingers. I'm in the zone.
good morning, you guys. So today is December 30th. I am over here heating up my leftovers in the air fryer from yesterday. When I tell y'all I had so much fun last night, I definitely will be back to that spot. I had so much fun. The food was good. I'm stuffed and I have so many leftovers. Drinks had me lit. The hookah, everything was so good. And now it's back to reality. I did end up spending the night at my friend's house. It's 10 o'clock now. I got home at like 8 o'clock and I've been working since. And I'm like, you know what? Let me eat. I'm in my coffee and I'm about to edit my YouTube video that's supposed to be dropping today, which is my life update video. And then I also got to work on the stuff on my website because if you saw the life update video, then you already know what I'm talking about. So yeah, so I gotta add my vendor to the website, and be sure to check my website out, you guys, because by the time y'all see this video, if there is anything still available on my website on clearance, be sure to cop if you would like to support. My mentorship, my new mentorship is also open. Let me make sure I don't burn this. My new mentorship, y'all, lamb chop, is open. It is for content creators. If you're ready to secure these brand collabs, and actually, y'all, I have another paid brand collab. That's another thing I got to do today. I have another paid brand collab with Temu, and I've worked with, y'all know I've worked with Temu. Was actually, I think, my very first paid collaboration back in 2023. So this is about to be my third paid collab with Temu. So if you looking to secure these paid collaborations, gifted collaborations, getting paid to create content, okay, I'm talking getting paid hundreds of dollars for 15, 30-second videos, tap in. Be sure to join my community. The link will be in the description box. iTasty on Patreon is $30 a month, but the $30 a month is only going to be the discount for like the first 2 weeks in January, and then it'll be probably $40 or $50 a month. I haven't decided, y'all, but I'm about to eat these leftovers, and then I'm going to check in with you guys, because like I told y'all, the fridge is still in my car. We got to clean out these cabinets. We got to get this house together for New Year, new me. I still don't know what I'm doing for New Year's. My sister had hit me up yesterday about New Year's plans. Then my homeboy hit me up, and then my other friend hit me up today, and I'm like, I still don't know what I'm doing for New Year's. I plan on staying in. Now it's time to get this kitchen together, because as y'all see, it is looking a complete mess. I got my black trash bags. My goal is to get everything completely out of my cabinets, because it's out with the old, in with the new. Whatever I don't use or gotta take to the garage, we about to get that stuff together. Hey you guys, so it is New Year's Eve. When I tell y'all, this cleaning had me overwhelmed yesterday. I ended up washing my, I don't even know what you call these things, the things that you set the pot on when you don't want to set it directly on the counter when it's hot. And then I also washed my matcha thing, like the thing that my matcha station sits on, because that was dirty. And then I also washed the towels that I have by my stove. So today, I'm glad I was able to get everything done. When I tell y'all, my kitchen was looking a complete mess. It was so overwhelming. I was literally texting all my friends, sending them pictures like, yo, I have a headache. I have a headache, but we got it done, okay? And I'm gonna show y'all everything probably towards the end. It's like 8 a.m. y'all, okay? I've been training myself to go to bed by 10 a.m., which has also been hard because I just got, like I had told you guys in my life update video, I went to Africa for 10 days, and the part of Africa I was in, Sierra Leone, is 5 hours ahead EST. So right now it's 8 o'clock here, but it's 1 o'clock there. It's 1 o'clock there, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So while I was there, I was trying so hard to keep my same sleep schedule, even though it was messing me up, because I would be in bed until like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And my mom's like, are you hungry? I'm like, nah. Like, cause technically that's like 4 or 5 a.m. the time they eat breakfast. So yeah. I'm just glad my sleep schedule is not messed up, because y'all, I was stressing like on the plane, like I just know when I get back my sleep schedule is gonna be a mess and I'm gonna have to figure it out. But no, I'm still waking up at 7 something and going to bed by 10, because I also have to take my dog out to potty and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys, like flip the camera to show you guys how everything is nice and organized. Everything is nice and clean. I do gotta wipe down. I wiped down these cabinets. It's just the ones on my island. I gotta wipe down, and then we gotta sweep. We got a mop, and we're done with the kitchen. I'm so excited, y'all, to have all of my drawers nice and organized. Like, yes, 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 yes. Y'all, the kitchen is clean. All the cabinets are organized. I am so happy. I steamed my floors. Everything is literally nice, organized, and clean. I forgot to even say this too, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be some pink people on here like, girl, where did you get all your stuff from? I always have the link in my description box to all my pink finds, so be sure to follow me on Instagram, you guys, too. For those of you guys that are new here, obviously y'all can see pink is my favorite color, all pink everything. My personal Instagram is also linked in the description. Rica_forever. My website, itasty.com. If you are looking to start a business, vendors, ebooks, itasty.com. But yeah, y'all. So now I'm finally about to make breakfast. I'm gonna make eggs, bacon, and pancakes. I don't know if I said it already. And for dinner, I'm making smothered chicken and rice. And for dessert, I'm making strawberry cheesecake jars. So we got a full menu, so much content to record. I actually have more content to record because I've been slacking on my Pinterest, because y'all know, if you have not been making money on Pinterest, you can make money on Pinterest. And I do have an ebook on how to do that and make passive income. I gotta get my Pinterest content together because I have not, like I said, I haven't been home. Like, I've been traveling so much. Like, I feel like I literally traveled every month the last 6 months, because I traveled twice in June. In June, I went to Colombia for my sister's birthday, Grenada for mine. And I also went to Dallas. I also went to Montana. I went to like 5 states in the month of June. July, I went to Dallas. August, I don't think I went anywhere. But September, I know I went to Vegas. And then I went to Miami in September as well. I think October is probably the only month I didn't go nowhere. And then November, I went to Dallas again. And then December, I went to Africa. So I have not, like, I don't like to grocery shop and stuff when I'm going out of town. Y'all that have been following me, y'all know that, because this stuff is going to go bad. And I live by myself. So I'm glad that I'm back. I don't have no upcoming trips as of now, but I really don't plan. Like, I know for sure I'm gonna go somewhere in June, because that's my sister's birthday, my mom's birthday. Like, I know for June, but spring break hopefully. But either way, it's only about to be January 1st. So we are focused on getting our things back in order, back to cooking, back to our pink lifestyle and all pink everything. And I do gotta go shopping too. Stay tuned. Like I told y'all, I'm coming with the back-to-back vlogs. So make sure you are subscribed. Make sure your notification bells are on. Make sure you are following my personal page for when I'm not posting. Y'all see what I am doing. But I will be going shopping on Friday. I'm going to a pink jewelry store and I'm doing a pink Target run. So stay tuned for the content, because I will be vlogging. And then next week I'm going to a pink event too. So I'll be vlogging for y'all, okay? I'll be vlogging. Y'all, so it is currently nighttime, you guys. When I tell y'all I have had such a productive day, it is 7:54 p.m. and I'm about to eat dinner now. I'm also making Onyx dog food because Onyx is out of dog food. And I said in 2026, I want to start making dog food because I saw a video on Instagram of a girl making her dog's food. And I'm like, I always wanted to like make his own dog food. So I'm like, now that his food is completely out, it's perfect, because in the past, like years ago, because Onyx just turned 5, y'all. Can y'all believe it? Can y'all believe it? Onyx is 5. But he turned 5 earlier this month. And when he was younger, I used to make him, when I would run out of dog food, I would make him like boil the chicken breast and mix it with white rice, because he does like white rice. So I looked up a recipe on ChatGPT because I'm like, I only have these ingredients. What can I make my dogs to eat? So, and I don't plan on, I don't know if I said this or not, I'm not leaving the house tomorrow. So today's New Year's Eve. I'm not leaving the house tonight. I'm not leaving the house tomorrow. Friday, I will be vlogging for y'all. But, I'm gonna make him rice, broccoli, and chicken. And it works out perfect because I have this pink chicken shredder that I have not gotten to use. So I'm about to put it to use to make his chicken. So right now the chicken is boiling on the stove and we will get that done. But dinner is served, you guys. So I made the smothered chicken and I also made my rice in my pink rice cooker. And I made the strawberry cheesecake jars. Let me show y'all that. Ooh. And I did, for breakfast, y'all, I'm gonna insert some clips. I did end up making eggs, bacon, and pancakes. And then what did I have for lunch? I don't remember. I also had some grapes. But yes, y'all, so today was a very productive day. And I had so much fun vlogging, y'all. When I say it feels so good to be back vlogging and recording content, okay? I'm so excited for 2026 and to get this content out for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you guys are new here. All of my links will be in the description box for my Instagram, my personal Instagram, for my website, for all of my pink finds. And to know that you are a true supporter and you watched my video all the way to this point, comment what you did for New Year's Eve, because y'all are gonna see this. I don't know when you guys are gonna see this video, but by the time you see it, today's New Year's Eve. So comment what you did for New Year's Eve. What did you do for New Year's? Let me know in the comments so I know that you watched this video all the way to this point. Thank you guys so much for the support. I love y'all. Bye.